Oh, I can see my shadow. Gotta put it in 4-wheel drive. Going uphill. Good afternoon, guys. I'm just now starting the vlog. Actually, I already started it, but I didn't say nothing. So we went to a comic shop today because it is free comic book day. There's the droid back there. There's Sterling picking her nose.
I'm biting my finger.
Biting her fingers because she didn't get enough to eat. So I'll go ahead and show you the footage that we got from Free Comic Book Day. What are you gonna get? Barbie? What else?
Superhero.
What else?
We'll just have to find out.
That's that embroidery was really jumping for me.
Yeah, it's like that, but like way bigger. Probably like 10 inches in diameter.
Can I get something?
I don't have no money with me. Everything's in the car, so you'll have to.
That may be all we have.
We're just, no, we're just look.
Yeah.
Hey,
What did I want? Something that.
rock, paper, scissors.
I wanted to get something for my daughter's it's a distress tolerance thing.
That's funny.
Can I see what's on that side?
It's something you can distract them from the emotions with sensory stimulation.
We may have more people as squashy balls on the next time.
Yeah.
Like I said, I'm not 100% positive.
Well, thank you for letting me know.
So tell everybody what just happened to me.
Bird crapped all over Mom.
Bird pooped on me.
Oh my gosh.
Help me!
I don't know what to do.
Make sure you film it.
Oh no.
Oh. Oh.
I'm surprised you're not gagging. Get some hand sanitizer.
Give me some hand sanitizer.
Ew. Nasty.
Ew.
Yeah. said bird poop stain.
That's rude.
What? That the bird pooped on you?
A bird just crapped on me.
This is the worst day ever.
So right now we are stopped at a toy store, the one my husband always likes to stop at. After we did comic book. Oh, and the bird crapped on me. Did you guys see that part? Yeah. We're standing there waiting for them to. We didn't show the picture when it was done. Let's see the picture. Get her picture. The guy was drawing her a picture. This is what he drew. She wanted Harley Quinn. So we are getting ready. We are waiting in line, and he was going to draw her a picture, and a bird crapped on me.
No, we were waiting for the other people to get done.
Yeah, we were waiting for the other people to get done, but we're waiting in line to get the picture, and a bird just crapped on me. So I ended up having to go back, and then she got Harley Quinn. And I think after this we have to run to Walmart because I know we're out of milk and other things at home. And then I don't know what we're doing after that. I know we have to pick up Evan tonight. He ended up going to work for somebody. But he had to get a ride from his uncle. So we'll have to pick him up later. Hey guys, it is now probably like 10 o'clock. I don't even know. Let's check my computer. Oh, it's 9:46, so it's actually not that late. We went and picked up Evan from work. Well, first we came home and anyway, we came home and actually laid on the couch and I fell asleep. So, and then we just went and got Evan from work. Now we're home. And I'm probably going to head to bed because I gotta get up early. I'm gonna cook barbecue chicken for everyone tomorrow, so yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.